Hello, awesome people. Actually, something has just come up. I've realized that even though I'm trading forex and also investing some more cash in Bitcoin, guys have been asking me all about cryptocurrency and if actually Bitcoin is a scam. Bitcoin is not a scam. It's actually a real digitized currency that many countries actually have are familiar with it. They're familiarized also their citizens about it. If you go to El Salvador, which is a Caribbean country, okay, an island country, is actually where now all the citizens are actually paying their bills and all, and also employers recommend guys using Bitcoin as a paying uh, currency in their country. So today I just want to touch a little bit about Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. Actually, if you to go back to 2000 and what? If you go back to was it in 2019 or in 2019? Yeah, in 2017, right here, you can see in 2017, right here is when now Bitcoin was actually coming into the not coming into the market. Actually, it is when now guys started taking Bitcoin serious. Okay, it is when guys started taking Bitcoin like seriously. It is when guys started taking Bitcoin serious, and more industry came in and decided to invest their money in the Bitcoin. You can see before that, okay, before that in 2016, 20 all of 2016 until July 2017, the chart was actually flat, like in a straight line. There was nothing that was happening that was good at that particular time. And actually, in 2009, Bitcoin used to cost like $1. And I remember there is actually a guy on YouTube that I normally actually like following. His name is Carl Rodefell. Carl Rodefell actually always talks about Bitcoin and how Bitcoin is the future of money. And also he got me introduced to this guy called Da Vinci. Da Vinci also is a good guy that is actually invested some more money into the cryptocurrency space, whereby in 2009, if I'm not wrong, he used to tell guys that Bitcoin was a good investment and you had just to use $1. Actually, you had to buy Bitcoin with only $1. Okay, you had to buy Bitcoin with only $1. But guys didn't take him seriously. Right now, Bitcoin is worth let me go back. Right now you can see Bitcoin is worth uh, is around 1,938.23 cents. So that is actually USD. When you convert that to Kenyan money right now, is almost about 2.5 million. Okay, 2.5 million. So right back then, Bitcoin was costing 100 Bob Kenya shillings. 100 Bob Kenya shillings. But if you go to buy Bitcoin right now and you don't have, let's say, 2.5 million Kenya shillings, you cannot buy Bitcoin right now, like a whole coin. But you can buy bits of that particular coin. You can buy actually fractions of that particular Bitcoin. So I just had to touch about cryptocurrency and especially Bitcoin. Bitcoin is actually a store of value. It's like gold and silver. It is not like those other cryptocurrency where we have Ethereum. Ethereum actually talks about the innovation of the internet, and also where we have Solana. We have those actually mostly talk about the innovation of the internet, and also we have what we call metaverse, where now we have gaming industry, And in the metaverse also we have some currency there like the sandbox, we have mana, we have xbox. All those are particular currencies that involve in metaverse. But for me, I like investing my money in what is legit and where the market has structure. Actually, if you go to Bitcoin, you can see that the market has structure. You can see like in 2021, that was Tuesday, 20th July 2021, the market actually came at this particular level and we had the market moving up, which means we can actually see structure in this particular market. So for me, I will always invest my money where I see structure. Even though Bitcoin is at a lower price right now, where compared to where it was in 2021, that was actually November 80, either November 15th there, the market was trading at 69,000, at 69,494. That is almost 7 million, but now the market has dropped to around 2 million. Okay, so it means that even though Bitcoin right now is at a lower price, this is the best time for guys now to actually invest at least some money. If you invested here, actually, if you put your money when Bitcoin was above here, then it means you are in losses. Okay, you are in loss. Actually, once you bought, let's say you bought Bitcoin worth uh 20,000. Right now, your Bitcoin is no longer worth 20,000. Your Bitcoin is probably around 5 to 10,000. Okay, 5 to 10,000. Not actually 10,000, it's actually 5 to 2K. You have, you have made losses, and that's all about investment. Investment involves risk. I'm not a financial advisor, so I don't advise you guys actually to go and buy Bitcoin. But for me, I like taking risks. Okay, if you know about forex trading, then you will know that Bitcoin is part of it. Actually, more platform like sorry, sorry about that. You can see like most brokers right now are offering the Bitcoin option or the cryptocurrency option where you can trade Bitcoin live on their markets. You can also buy some bit and store them in your blockchain wallet or in your crypto wallet. So that's what I wanted to share with you guys about Bitcoin. There are so many scammers out here telling you guys that I can take your 10,000 and once you invest within our company, this blah blah Bitcoin project, you'll be able to make 10 times your money, and that is all that I can say. That it is not possible uh, that way. But if you get the knowledge and the concept of cryptocurrency, actually cryptocurrency came to replace what we call inconveniences in this bank industry. Because let's say you are in America and you want to send somebody $100 in Kenya. Okay, that $100 when he goes to the bank won't be exact $100. You'll get that inflation of that particular country has caused that money either to be less, okay, or more. But in the Bitcoin blockchain sorry, in the blockchain industry, when you send actually $1 from US to Kenya, it will come as $1, and this particular guy will get it as $1. If you, let's say you want to purchase cookies in Tanzania, okay, and you want to send exactly 10 cookies to Tanzania using sorry, you want to purchase cookies from Tanzania and you want to send actually 10,000 Kenya shillings to Tanzania so that you can get your 5 cookies from there. You will actually, when you use blockchain, you will send exact 10,000 Kenya shillings and get your 5 exact cookies as it is on that particular end. That's all about cryptocurrency and blockchain, where here we have transparency. You can see actually where your money is going. You can also you we do what we call there is P2P, where person to person can send cryptocurrency to one another. Okay, you can buy cryptocurrency actually using P2P. Those ones are offered on Binance. You have BitGet. We also have Paxiful here in Kenya. Also, we have other Bitcoin exchange platforms. So Binance is what I normally use to buy my cryptocurrency and also trade. So Bitcoin is the future of money. Bitcoin is the future of money. Like if you go to the US right now, there are so many outlets where you are allowed to buy goods using Bitcoin. When you go to Salvador, okay, like everywhere you are allowed to use Bitcoin to buy either a car, you can buy Bitcoin, you can buy groceries using Bitcoin. You can eat in hotels using Bitcoin. You can pay your transport using Bitcoin. So that shows that Bitcoin right now is a good store of value. If you, let's say right now, you buy Bitcoin at this lower level, okay, and you can see that the market right here is either is in a place of structure where is will either break to the upside or to the downside one. When it breaks to the downside, it will come to this particular level here that you're seeing, the 1,000, the 10,000 level. Okay, if this market breaks out, of which I've already shown you using the Bollinger Bands, let me just put in that Bollinger Bands. You see how the market is behaving right now using this Bollinger Band on Bitcoin. You can see that we're having what you call the Bollinger squeeze. The market is squeezing inside right here. Bitcoin will either break to the upside, and once you see a V-shaped like this happening, a V-shaped like this happening, if it the V-shape happens and Bitcoin either breaks to the downside, it will go up to $1,000, $10,000 per Bitcoin. Okay, it will go to 10K, and we'll either see a retracement before Bitcoin shooting itself back to 70,000. Okay, 70,000. So we will wait and see how Bitcoin behaves. Right now, I am actually uh, into Bitcoin, and I invested some little cash in this particular coin. I have like 100 Gs. Sorry, not 100 Gs. I have like 100 USD. Okay, $100 invested in this particular currency. Sorry, this particular cryptocurrency. It's a good investment, guys. If you want to see your portfolio grow, actually uh, diversify it. Do not just sit there and watch what other rich people are doing. Elon Musk right now is holding some Bitcoin. If you go to Robert Kiyosaki, the the writer of the book Rich Dad Poor Dad, also has some Bitcoin, and he advises guys to go and buy Bitcoin because it is the future of money. If you go to and follow Carl Rodofel, you will also see him talk about Bitcoin, which he is actually a Bitcoin millionaire. He invested so much in Bitcoin, and right now he's living his life out here. So Bitcoin is the future of money. Bitcoin is the future of money, and Bitcoin is the future of money. So cryptocurrency is here to stay. Especially Bitcoin is here to stay because it is not going anywhere. Okay, it is not going anywhere. If you want to know more about Bitcoin, just go and Google it, read about its white paper, and also you will see how Bitcoin is actually a revolutionary kind of currency that is in the market right now. So thank you so much, guys. Had to touch about Bitcoin today, and see you next time. Okay, see you next time. See you next time.